Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. We got the project car, the 2000 Honda 2-door, not 4-door as I said before. What can I say? Must have had one too many Yinglings. What I'm looking at today is I put it up on the rack because I'm going to do an oil change on it. We got some other things coming up with this baby, but I wanted to show you. I'm looking it over for Pennsylvania State inspection, and I do want to point out one or two things that could be a problem body-wise. I'm not worried about mechanical yet or suspension, just doing the body-wise. So we'll give you a look at that. The first thing that I was worried about was this lesion here, but it's still solid, so I don't have to worry about that. That's good. We'll get to what would be the problem. This is your rear bumper support, and as you can see, we've had iron moths chewing at it, and Pennsylvania rust is taking its toll on that side. Now if we come over here, hold on, I'll get the light better. If we come over to this side, we're still solid, pretty much. Don't poke through. It don't poke through. So we're gonna have to fix up that side. And the other problem, which will just take some body work, is up in here, up into the trunk. I think we can slap a little putty in that and get away with that. The other side's the same way. I think we could put a piece of sheet metal in there, slap some putty to it, that's good. But that bumper part, that's gonna have to probably be fixed. So I still have the engine work. I got some leads on that. I'm gonna update that here. We'll get into that as soon as I have some time. But this was first things first. I think we can fix it good enough to be able to get it to pass inspection. I'm having another vehicle inspect it. I'll probably show this video to my inspection guy tomorrow and just say to him, what does it need? Are you going to be okay with that? And we'll go from there. So this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, hey, thanks for watching. See ya.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! How could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!